If you've got pets, kids, or just a busy home, you know the struggle. Hair in the corners, dust on the blinds, and crumbs that never seem to end. I used to dread cleaning days because my old vacuum was heavy, loud, and always tangled. That's why I switched to the Candy cordless vacuum cleaner, SO103. And honestly, it's made my home faster, cleaner, and honestly, kind of satisfying. If you haven't heard of Candy, they're an Italian brand that's been around since 1945. They're known worldwide for creating smart, easy-to-use home appliances that simplify daily life. From large appliances to small one like this vacuum, Candy brings that modern Italian design. Stylish, practical, and built to make cleaning effortless. Their motto says it best, ready to live. This vacuum weighs just 4.8 pounds, and if you use it handheld, it's only 2.8 pounds. That means you can carry it from room to room, clean the curtains, even reach up to the ceiling molding, all without feeling like I'm lifting weights. And despite being so light, the suction is powerful. It easily picks up pet hair, crumbs, and dust on both hardwood floors and carpets. One of my favorite parts is the anti-wrap hair feature. It uses a V-shaped roller and wiper blade that prevents hair from getting tangled. If you've ever had to cut hair out of a vacuum brush before, you know how big of a deal that is. Now it just keeps spinning smoothly, no mess, no stress, perfect for pet owners. It also has a 180-degree flat laying design, so you can easily slide it under furniture or reach tight corners without moving heavy couches. And the parking design is so convenient. You can stop mid-clean, stand it up, move something, and pick right back up where you left off. The SO103 works as a 3-in-1 vacuum, a stick vacuum for floors, a handheld for furniture and curtains, and even a small cleaner for desktops and car interiors. It's super versatile and cordless, so you can clean anywhere without being tied to an outlet. You get up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge, which is perfect for quick cleanups, deep cleaning sessions, and when you need extra power, you just switch to turbo mode. It still runs up to 12 minutes at full strength. The 6-stage HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of particles as small as zero point 0.3 microns. That's ideal if you've got allergies, pets, or just want cleaner air in your home. And maintenance is super easy. Everything from the roller brush to the filters and dustbin is removable and washable. The HEPA filter even has a service life of more than 2 years, so you don't have to replace it often. Candy really designed this vacuum to make cleaning simple. No tangled cords, no tangled hair, and no extra effort. It's light, powerful, and built to last. If you're looking for a cleaner that's truly hassle-free, Check out the Candy cordless vacuum cleaner SO103 using the link below. It also comes with a wall mount and screws, so you can mount it to the wall and hang it. It also comes with a really helpful cleaning brush.